Hello, welcome to FS with Srikanth. In this lecture, we are trying to learn do while statement. So, what is a do while? So, first, before we know that what is a while loop. While loop is a looping statement. It can check the condition and execute the block of statement until condition become the false. Right? Now, do while is first execute the block of statement. First it execute the block of statement, then it checks the condition. Just to observe here, this is a syntax. First, before checking the condition, first it will be execute the statement. First it execute the statement, then it checks the condition. That is a thing is there. So here in a while is entry control loop. In a while statement, we know that while is a top level and entry level control statement. Why? Because initially it checks the condition. If the condition true only, it execute the block of statement. But in a do while, first it execute the block of statement. Do first you can do the statement. You can execute the statement. After executing this block of statement, then you can check this condition. If this condition is true, again you can perform the same thing. You can execute the block of statement and execute the block of statement and check the condition until condition become the false. So here what is happen in a do while, first it execute the block of statements, then after executing the statement, then it checks the condition. So that is thing is there. In a do while, there is one after condition there is a semicolon is there. After condition there is a semicolon is there. Your looping is closed here. But in a while loop there is no semicolon after condition. If in case we put the condition after semicolon, that is called as a dummy condition. Dummy. But especially do while only we can place the semicolon after the condition. Why? So first it execute the statement. So we need to stop the condition. Where you want to close our statement, after condition you want to stop. For that we put the semicolons, right? So we need to explain some differences are there. While and do while both are conditional statement, but the difference is that while is first test the condition. In a do while, first execute the block of statement. After while there is no semicolon. In a do while, after while condition there is a semicolon is there. In a while, it entry level it checks the condition. If the condition is false, it never execute. There is no execution. But here even condition false also, there is a one executable statement is possible. So just we compare the statements. Three statements are there. First one, while and do while. This is a entry control, it is exit control. Why entry control? Initially while loop can check the condition, but here first execution, then last condition checking. For that exit control. And condition is checked and block of statements are executed. If the condition true only, it will be executed. But here first block of statements are executed, then the condition is checked. And there is no semicolon after the condition, but there is a semicolon after the condition. While loop is efficient because of first condition is checked, then statements are executed. It's a very restricted, it's very strict condition, right, in a while loop. And control is under the program since being the loop where in do while first statements are executed. Already we discussed that in a while loop it is a beginning only it checks. In a do while first the flow of execution will be start. In a do while, the do while block is statements are executed least once. At least one block will be executed in a do while. But in a while, no, it never execute. If the condition is true only, the while loop will be executed. In a do while, the condition true or false, whatever it may be, one time it would be executed. If the condition is true, it will be executed until condition become the false. The majorly three differences. After condition there is no semicolon, and in a do while there is a semicolon. And entry, if in a while first it checks the condition, in a do while first it execute then checks, and in a while there is no minimum execution. If the condition is false, it never execute any statement, but in a do while there is a minimum executions are there. If even condition false also, it would be executed some of the statements, right? So we need to have a nice day. Thank you.